Hello, and welcome to your photo gallery. Today I will show you how to navigate through your client gallery. In the top corner, you can access your account, past orders, and invite family and friends to the gallery. Use the top navigation to view different scenes in the gallery and view the full shop. In the gallery, you can save the photos to your favorites list, select the photo to share, and download. If there are any photos you don't want guests to see, click on the eye icon to move photos to a hidden scene that only you and your photographer can view. Click on the arrow icon to expand your most loved images. Click on an image to view it larger, and select the play button to autoplay through the entire gallery. In the top corner of the gallery, access and download your favorites, share your selected photos, and download multiple image selections, including full gallery download. Visit your photographer's website to view more of their work and leave a review.